boy Gerb's about to get on it.
Oh my god, dude. First startup.
Is we ready?
Go ahead.
The battery.
All right, second startup attempt. Hopefully the battery is charged. Moment start it, yo. Dude, the FA5 lives to see another day.
New timing chain, guys. New tensioner.
Low key, did the tensioner. It was thrown out of time. We shut the car off and basically pulled the case cover, did a whole new tensioner, timing chain, adjusted the valves.
Shout out this man Gerb, guys. Shout out this man fucking Gerb.
About to do a little 2.5 rev limiter, dude. Billy's FA5.
It sounds crazy.
Dude, look at how clean this thing looks.
No skirt, yo. Why you exposing me?
Billy's exposed. Guys, we just did a timing job on an FA5 K20Z3 2009. After our slight little hiccup with the tensioner, we got it back into time. So Billy's going to start it one more time. Make sure we don't...
guys she was coming back stronger than ever. I think the battery shot. Because it even kind of... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
CELs.
No CELs, nothing. She goes down to 700 idle, too, so...
Hell yeah, dude.
Perfect.
That's what's up, man. All you guys who are hating, basically saying that this kid's car wouldn't run, you guys are just you're haters at the end of the day. No negativity. This car's coming back stronger this year, and it's going to be basically ready for a tune. Header, potentially cams down the road. Yep. I would run stock Z3 cams for a while.
110% dyno tune.
Dyno tune? What are you going, Marsh tune?
That's the goal. Like, he'll fucking tune me. I want to go Marsh.
Marshy, you heard that? Marsh, he's coming for you.
Marsh, I'm coming for you. Hey, one last thing. This is what I got to say to the haters.
Oh, no way, dude. We had to put the spare stock on because his wheel was flat. Look at Bill, bro. How does it feel? Really? Sounds sick, dude. FA5 is out of Bill's garage. And right now what we're doing, we let the engine warm up for a while, basically maybe 20 minutes or so. Now we're performing technically a wet compression test across all his cylinders. So we did the first two. The first one was about 160, second was 155. Now we're gonna do cylinder number 3 and then 4 and cross our fingers that all of them are like the same in compression throughout every one. Go ahead, Bill. Oh, 160, dude. 160. Bill's about to do the 8 revolutions.
Now this is the last cylinder. She should be around 160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we did the last and it's at 160.
I knew you were screwing with me. I'm like, yo, no way this dude's gonna pull this on me. Yo, fuck you, man.
What an ass.
Be good as long as it ain't too low.
We'll reset it.
I read that 160 is pretty.
All right, guys, all back together. And right now we got to work on his mount. As you guys can see down there, we misplaced that bottom bolt right there, but we have the other one in on the back side. It's kind of hard to see. It's right there, literally right there. Dude, I love this. Bill in the FA, bro. Chill.
You already know.
Haha. I can just hear everything, dude. The Q300 and the engine sound so good together. Don't mind the hair, guys. I'm looking homeless right now. Yo, you're on a base map too, right, Billy?
Yeah, Skunk 2 Alpha with stock catback with a short ram intake. But what I'm running right now, I'm running a short ram intake engine SRI, NVIDIA Q3, stock cat, but...
And he's about to get my Boombas because I got the Innovatives.
And as you guys know, I have the Skunk 2 Alpha. I'm just waiting to throw her on after I go through emissions.
Right. This thing, dude, hybrid. Back in business, guys.